Hello, these are people who fought for Biafra war, and some of them got injured, and they are begging by the roadsides, and a lot of people are neglecting them. It's sad to watch this video. I copied this video from the wall of our brother, who also said he copied it from another person's wall. It's so painful, and I think those guys have come to perform a song for them to tell them you are not forgotten. And we use this opportunity to splash a number on the screen in case you want to support them. That is not my number, but this is the number I copied from the same place I saw this. And enjoy the rest of the video. The number is on the screen there in case you want to give them support. Somebody thought that you might leave.
Biafra jalogo baga kai we ndi elu honu woni ye ndi Igbo kwese ma na egwu a jelu nu nso bia nu nso ogo me the Biafran veterans ndi no la ya ogo ndi war we menu si aru no ko ni na ya gba hangete o we blu si na main road express ka fa na
Senator Ifeanyi Ubah's personal assistant, Mr. Goodness, Matthias, buried in Eka local government area of Akwaibom State. That was on Saturday, October 8, 2022. He was the late personal assistant to Senator Ifeanyi Ubah. Mr. Good News Matthias was buried in his own town in Eka local government area of Akwaibom State. The funeral was attended by a high-profile delegation, which includes the state chairman of Young Progressive Party, YPP, Mr. Nyeneime Andy, Chief Chijioke Ogochukwu, MD, the Choice More, Chief Edwin Ibokwe, party executives, and Igbo community in Akwaibom. Before his untimely demise during the attack on Senator Ifeanyi Ubah's convoy, Mr. Goodness Matthias was Senator Ifeanyi Ubah's personal assistant. Undoubtedly, his departure is a sad loss, not only for his immediate family, but for everyone else who knew Ifeanyi Ubah. I will pray the good Lord grant them strength and fortitude to bear the loss. Wow. So painful. Honorable Nazo sends palliatives to flood victims in Umuoba, Anam. The good people of Umuoba, Anam in Anambra East local government area were very happy to receive the delegates of Honorable Nazo movement with the palliatives for the flood victims. That was on 5th October 2022. The President General PG of Umuoba Anam Town Union, Mr. Moba Omenwa Victor, appreciated Honorable Nazo Emmanuel Ameshi Akwatu Ijelego Aguleri for remembering their community flood victims in this time of need. He prayed that the Almighty God will favor the political journey of Honorable Nazo Emmanuel victoriously. Comrade Onyema Echiezako Echeke Igbo Mr. Nnamdi Onyeka Mesesie and Comrade Obinna Godi Nnaluo Igwe Aguleri Junction appealed to the citizens of Umuoba Anam to keep on supporting Honorable Nnazo Emmanuel Amechi's political journey to Anambra State House of Assembly for quality representation by 2023 polls, promising that the Young Progressive Party YPP candidate for Anambra East constituency will continue to provide the needs of the people.
Okay. Onye zitere anyị bụ anyị bụ onye azụ ọ kpatara ọsọ enyemaka anapụtara akpara ise na-ebute ọgwụ ahụ kpatara ala ọ nọkwanyere na ọ sị ka ọ nwere enyere aka ọ na-emeri ya maka na ọ na-azọ obi ọjọọ emeri emere ego abịa ka ọ ga-eme na gọọmenti ya nyere nne sọrọ ya na-eme ya onye mbụ onye na-eke keresi na jọnshọn akwụ ọlịla ya n'ọnya abịala m ebe o ji ego abịa na ebe ahụ
Eba palliatives Honorable Nnazo YPP candidate Igutele ndị gbara ọsọ iji na Umuoba Anam n'anya obodo gbakọjuru ndị mmiri mebichara ibe gbatal na ebe a bụ IDP camp na Umuoba Anam. Honorable Nnazo kechara ụgbọkpụ otechara ndị mmadụ wee butekwa ibe ma food materials ma ebe a na-eli eli ma ute ma ibe niile n'anya ebe na Nnazo kwadoro ọfụma tupu ya agọzie.
In rounding up, Igbo Amaka, what you see was built by an Igbo boy, and he has so many of these inventories. As you can see, that one on the screen is G-Wagon. I am feeling this boy should be sponsored. At least he can go to a mechanical engineering school. You know, someone should take up sponsoring him to higher institution or technical school where he can, you know, develop on this. Look at what the small boy is doing. I believe some of you have seen this video before. These are the kind of talent we should give support so that they become something in future. For somebody to do this just like that without any formal training, the person will do exploits with acquisition of certain skills. What do you think? I will round up with that one.
Move it out, G-Wagon. See this logo. Our flights to Obodo Oyibo. Our flight to Obodo Oyibo. Love Kamebe. Hey. Turn up by Maya.
But I want to tell you that thing. I'm not for me, though.